Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking power and access. Make sure your AirPods have charge and you can open Bluetooth on the laptop. On Windows, click the Action Center or Settings. On Mac OS, use the Bluetooth menu in System Settings. Once done, keep the AirPods in their case and open the lid. Press and hold the case pairing button until the LED pulses. This starts discoverable mode so your laptop can find the device. Make sure you stay within a few meters for reliable detection. You now move into pairing, open the laptop Bluetooth dialog and choose to add a new device. On Windows, select Bluetooth. On Mac OS, look in the Devices list. Once you see your AirPods name, click to connect. If the laptop asks for permission to access audio or calls, accept it so features work correctly. Once connected, the system will indicate your AirPods as an audio output. Make sure the default output switches to them. If not, set them manually in Sound Settings. You finish by verifying functionality. Play audio and join a quick call to confirm sound and microphone behavior. If audio is low or stutters, move closer and reduce Wi-Fi interference, then ensure firmware is updated if possible. If pairing fails or disconnects, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. Remove the device from the laptop Bluetooth list and pair again. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth on the laptop after a reset before repairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.